Today I'm going to be putting a YSS back shock on the 2019 Honda Grom. Anyways, let's get down to it. Alright guys, this is my 2019 Honda Grom. Let's get down to putting this shock on and getting to see if it really does make a difference with a new shock. Got the sticker on there already, just need the shock. So the first thing I got to do is remove the left side panel, be able to get at the bolt here and get the shock out. Enjoy guys. Okay, one of the first things you got to do is you have to remove these factory plugs. Take out that screw. And there's also another factory plug down here. Come over, you got this bolt. And you have these bolts underneath. And we gotta get the seat up. All right, seat is off. Got that bolt. Got that bolt in there. You also have a screw holding that panel on. So let's start taking it off. You just need something to poke it in, and then you can pull it out. If you got some type of prior, it's kind of nice. I got minimal tools here, so where are you coming off? Alright, for this one, pretty sure this is a 10 mil. Yep. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright. I kind of like putting the bolts back where they should be. This kind of helps me remember where everything is. I got some LEDs here, so I'll just take that out. If anybody is interested in what this is, it's an external battery power, so I don't drain my Grom battery. This panel needs to come off. Alright. And this bolt is also 10 mil. Off, okay. Now, with these panels, done this a couple times, you want to kind of pull out and rotate. There we go. Because these plastic clips in there, you can see these. Maybe not, yeah, right there. That's what fits in there. So, there's a screw right there. Right? And there's a screw right there. Gotta take that assembly off, and then I'll be able to get at this bolt for the back shock which is tucked up under there. All right. Same screws all around for everything, mainly here. All right, back at her. Get some lube in me. There's one right there, one underneath the rear set. And the other one is underneath the exhaust. I was afraid of doing this because I'm gonna have to lay it down. So I don't have two guys to work on it. So I'm gonna take the exhaust off. 12. Sure would be nice to have a rack or something. Oh, it's enough yet? Oh, come on, it's gotta be. There we go. Alright, exhaust is off. Alright. Hello, bug. Alright. Get that off. Oh, that's free. Awesome. There we go. You're coming off. Okay. Now I guess I'm gonna have to lean this over. Get my beer. Beer's good. Oh, so much fun. Let's do this. All right, leaning her over. All right, 9/16 and 11/16. Oh, you're on there. Whew. All right. Turn you the other way. Old shock out. Yuck. Old shock. New shock. Oh yeah, it's gonna be sweet. All right. Now the first bolt on. A little bit of a pain in the butt if you don't have tools, but it's all right. It's all right. It's gonna look great. It's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, it's through. It's in. It's in. Whew. All right. Next step is to tighten the bolts. Whew. It is hot out. But man, that shock looks awesome. Okay, here we go. That's on. Stand it back up. She's on. Let me get her back together and take a shot of it.